Hello everyone, this is Lisha again. Today's video is a general introduction about our Bright Vision Glasses factory. To be very honest, only adjusting the speed of the video, one shot to the end. I will let you see our factory very clearly. 3 times video speed, no other editing. This is our sample room, which includes mental eyeglasses frames, TR glasses frames, acetate glasses frames, pure titanium, children's glasses, polarized clip-on glasses, and polarized sunglasses. Stylish and high quality. With 300 pieces, you mixed the order, we can print in your logo, and your logo will show on the glasses. This is our workshop. Where the workers and masters are full of experience, and they are busy and Confucius warehouse. It's huge, and all the glasses displayed in the sample room have sufficient inventory. Welcome to contact me anytime and place your order.